Hello everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic math function in PHP. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is math function in PHP. So PHP has a set of math function which allows the mathematic equation to be solved. So we are going to discuss different matters of math function in PHP. Suppose for an example, first I am taking min function, that is minimum, another max function, that is maximum value to be printed, another one will sqrt, that is square root, another will be pi, which is the pi value, that is of circle. So we are going to discuss the syntax of the all. So our first thing is we will start and close the PHP tag because we are discussing the math function in PHP. So after that the minimum value will be declared here. Suppose I am taking echo. After that minimum function, in between this I will pass my value. Suppose I am writing some characters, that is 1, 10 and 100. So as we have echo function and the minimum function, so we will find the minimum value of integer, that is 1. So according to the echo of minimum function, the display screen will be printed 1 because the 1 is the smallest function in this. So after that we are discussing maximum function. Again PHP tag start and PHP tag close. After that echo, in between echo we will write our max function. In between this pass the value and give a semicolon. Suppose I am giving here 10 or 100. So this is our display screen. According to the echo of maximum function, the maximum value is 100 and it will be displayed here 100 because this is the largest value in this echo. After that, that is a square root. So again PHP tag start and PHP tag close, in between this echo and then sqrt, after that function, then semicolon. After that suppose I am taking the value, that is 64. So the answer will be here, the square root of 64 would be 8. So 8 would be displayed on the screen, that is the square root of 64. After that pi, same PHP tag start, PHP tag closed, in between this echo function, pi and the value. So the display screen will be printed 3.14, which is the value of pi. So in this way we can take many as functions in the math functions which are used in PHP. So thanks for watching our session. Now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.